So what I want to know is, why ain't nobody tell me? Yeah, like, why ain't nobody tell me? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and follow me on all of my social media outlets, Instagram, Twitter, all of that. And today I'm getting into something that I should have really known all along. Like, this shouldn't be something I'm just finding out, but I am, and I want to know why ain't nobody tell me. Like, why ain't nobody tell me? So let's just go on and get into it, because it's hot up here and I don't want to start sweating and all that. So do y'all see these wash and go results? Do you see them? Do you see these results? Like, when was the last time you saw wash and go results like this on my head? When was the last time I saw wash and go results like this on my head? So I'm gonna tell you what I did to get it like this. As usual, I was on YouTube, and you know, YouTube suggests videos for you, and I saw one suggestion. I don't remember who it was, but it was someone doing a DIY avocado and banana hair mask on their hair. And when I saw the results, I was like, oh, I need to try that. Because you guys, like, I was literally on the verge of doing a rant about my hair because I was just so tired of it. My wash and goes were not coming out how I wanted them to. So when I saw her results, I was like, I'm definitely gonna try that. I don't remember who it was. I don't. I might have to go back and look, but I don't remember who it was. But I did it today. Now, I did avocado. I did one avocado, one ripe banana, some honey. Hold on, I wrote it down. Let me see. I did avocado, banana, honey, olive oil, rose hip oil, peppermint oil, and lemongrass oil just for the smell. And I also put some vitamin E oil in it. Now I have the vitamin E little, you know, I don't think they're called capsules because they're soft and you can poke a hole in and squeeze the oil out. That's what I did because I didn't have any just straight off oil on hand, so that's what I did. So I mixed all that together, and what I should have did was put it in a blender to make it like really smooth so I wouldn't have clumps and lumps in my hair, but I didn't because I was lazy today. But I did it, and my hair was looking so good. My curls were so defined. It was soft. It was, oh my goodness, you guys. I'm gonna keep doing those masks. Like, every now and then when my hair needs to pick me up, I'm gonna do those masks. Yeah, I did that. I left it in. I put my cap on and I left it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. I sat under a hooded dryer, and then I came out and rinsed it out, and then I put in a leave-in, and then I proceeded to style, which is this wash and go. This right here. And for this wash and go, I used, of course, the Main Choice products, but I used a gel that I don't believe I've ever used from them for a wash and go, which is the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat Glistening Go Glistening Twisting Gel. And yeah, y'all, look at my hair. Like, look at it. Like, you can't deny that these are some bomb results. Like, but like, why did it take me so long to come to this conclusion? Like, I love that gel for my twists, like those twists that I did for my protective style. I love that gel, but it had never dawned on me to actually do a wash and go with it. Even though I've seen other people do videos with that gel for a wash and go, it just never dawned on me to do it for my hair, because I was the type where, oh, I need ECOSTYLER. I need ECOSTYLER because ECOSTYLER is heavy and it'll clump my curls back. Like, I don't know why I'm talking like that, but that was me. Like, I need ECOSTYLER because it's heavy and it'll clump my curls better. But look at this. My hair's never looked like, my wash and goes have never looked like this or even felt like this with ECOSTYLER. While we're talking about ECOSTYLER, like, okay, when the news broke about ECOSTYLER and how toxic it is, I was one of those that was like, okay, we didn't already know this. Like, as cheap as it is and as readily available as it is, and everybody can go out and just grab it, like, did we really think it was all natural? I I didn't. But at the same time, I was like, okay, it works for my hair. I don't use it that much, so I'm gonna keep using it. But then it dawned on me, like, especially for myself with some of the issues that I've been having recently, like, that could very well play a role in what's been going on with me personally. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna cut it out. So I decided that I was gonna try, to use the 24 karat gold gel from the Main Choice from a Wash and Go, and y'all, I absolutely love it. Now that's not the only thing that I used in this Wash and Go. I also used the new Tropical Moringa Sealing Cream, and then on top of that I used some of the Ancient Egyptian oil, and then on top of that I went in with some of the gel. Now I did go a little heavy-handed with the gel, and next time I won't, but you can these results, they just don't lie. So these are some of the best results. Well, these are the best results that I've ever gotten for a Wash and Go. And I should have recorded it, but I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory what you do for a Wash and Go. Like, I didn't shingle it. I just raked it through. That's it. I didn't shingle it, but I made sure that I smoothed the product into my hair really well, because that's another one of my problems, is that I'm just so ready to get my hairstyling process over with that I would just slap the product in my hair and move on to the next product. But this time I really worked the product into my hair and made sure my hair absorbed the product, including the gel. Like, I raked to make sure that the gel was you know, going into my hair and actually doing what it's supposed to do without me having to use the entire jar of gel. Like, because I'm so used to using ECOSTYLER for my Wash and Goes, you know, you just slap a whole palm of that in your hair and go. But with that, I didn't do it, but I did go a little heavy-handed with it, and I probably won't the next time, because I could have gotten away with a lot less. But I still love these results, y'all. I might be rocking Wash and Goes all summer long. And I was having trouble because I'm going on vacation next month, and I have been racking my mind, like, what do I want to do with my hair? Because I really don't want to have to do nothing to it, but at the same time I want to be walking around in all my little natural glory. So so I was like, what am I going to do with my hair? And now I think I know. Especially since where I'm going is going to be tropical, it's going to be hot. It's like perfect for a Wash and Go because it will dry like that. So I may just be rocking my Wash and Goes. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm gonna put a poll up there so y'all can tell me what y'all think, because I was either thinking doing like wearing my hair, but I didn't know what I was gonna do to it. And I was also thinking about braids, like either box braids or the feed-in Ghana braids. Those are so cute. So I'm gonna leave a poll and y'all tell me what y'all think. What y'all think, how y'all think I should wear my hair for my vacation. I had to come on and share these results with y'all because I was just floored. Like, floored. And I don't know why I'm so surprised, because I love the Main Choice products, and that twist and gel is A1 for my twist. So I don't know why it never just dawned on me, hey, do a Wash and Go with this. What I did today, and here we go. But yeah, after I put the gel in my hair, I did sit around for a couple of hours because my mom came over. I sat around for a couple of hours and my hair was air drying. But then after my mom left, I sat under a hooded dryer for about, I didn't sit under that long. It was probably about 15 minutes because that's all I could take. Like, it's just getting ridiculous sitting under that thing. It's just too hot. So after I did that, I went into my roots with a blow dryer with a concentrator nozzle just to stretch my hair a little bit, get some of my length back, and just to make sure that my roots are dry, because I don't want to go to bed with any parts of my hair being wet, because I'm gonna wake up to a disaster. So yeah, but I could not pass up coming and sharing with you guys these results. Like, I've been sleeping. Like, I really been sleeping. So yeah. Oh, and I also want to get my hair like cut into some type of shape, because this just looks crazy. But other than that, it is super cute, super defined, super soft. I did not have a gel cast to break because the gel is not hard and heavy at all. So this would definitely be taking the place of my ECOSTYLER. Yes. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media and be sure to interact with me because I am going to start doing random giveaways. I'm not going to do a whole big thing on my channel. I'm just going to start randomly picking people and sending them stuff. So the more you engage with me, the more I see you, the more you talk to me, the more I talk to you, you will increase your chances of being chosen. So yeah, thank y'all for watching and I will see y'all in my next video. It's hot.